Mickey's run was incredible. Now, the one thing we got to look at here, Mickey's run was showing, obviously, the speed is showing at 221. We'll have to find out.
I know. What's your name, Albert? It's gonna bring my truck around. I'm gonna hook to the ass in the front end here. I'm gonna spin it, straighten it out.
Okay, nice.
Also in the passenger side.
Let me set this in there. I don't want to hit the electronics.
Put all this shit in there, still ain't weighing down 10 pounds.
Hey everybody, I'm here with Frank Soldridge, and everybody saw last night a horrific crash that we went through. Luckily today he's walking with us today and talking with us. Frank, can we get a rundown what happened play by play on that?
Well, basically it started coming back to me in the hospital as I watched the video and stuff, and I'm always aware of my surroundings and who I'm racing, and we've been having a problem with this car getting cabin pressure in it, and it would blow the window open. It blew the window open at the last race, and then immediately it pulls you to the side that window opens. It pulled me to the left at the last race. We thought we had it fixed for this race. We got down there, and when it went through the traps, it pulled the window open. Well, immediately pulled me in the other lane, but it was as Mickey was going by me. Right. And I did the no thing. I knew I was going into his lane. I didn't want to hit him, and I nailed the brakes. And then by that time it was too late to throw the chute or do anything. I should have threw the chutes first, but I didn't want to avoid I didn't realize he went 221, and congratulations to him. That is awesome. It's just that if I would have known he was going that, I would have threw the chutes first. It's just, you don't think about something, you just react.
Absolutely you do. I mean, you're going 200 miles per hour and sub 4 seconds. I mean, it's like the reaction time has to be this. The best thing is you're here with us. We didn't get tangled up with Mark. I mean, it's just an amazing thing. I mean, we're sorry to hear about the car. We know you'll be back. I mean, let me tell you people something. The balls it takes to get back in that car after something like that, I ain't got it. I tell you right now. So Frank's a warrior. He'll be back. Next race, hopefully he'll have something put together and he'll be back out. I don't know how Mama's gonna take that.
I don't know. We gotta talk to her on that. We do have another car. We did buy another car. It's just I'm not really sure what we're gonna do yet. It's a little too early in the game, but I know my other half, I have to take her feelings into consideration.
All right, Frank's on Percocets right now. He don't know what he's talking about. He'll be back, guys. Thanks a lot, Frank.
Thank you. Take it easy.